Mekelle, northern Ethiopia's city of resilience, nestled in the heart of Tigray. This isn't just a city, it's a community with a powerful history and an unbreakable spirit. Mekelle has faced hardships that would have shattered most places, but here, hope always finds a way. Today, March 20th, 2026, the city stands on the edge of a new beginning. It's not just rebuilding, it's reimagining itself as an economic powerhouse for the region. The people of Mekelle are writing a comeback story, turning adversity into ambition. With its rich history, strategic location, and determined citizens, Mekelle is building something stronger for generations to come. This is more than a lesson in history or economics. It's a testament to the human spirit. Mekelle reminds us that even after the darkest storms, the sun rises again. The city's energy is about creating a future filled with hope and opportunity. Mekelle's story is a beacon for anyone who believes in second chances. Let's dive into this remarkable journey. To understand Mekelle, you have to travel back through centuries of Ethiopian history. Once a vital stop on ancient trade routes, Mekelle's destiny changed forever in the 1880s. Emperor Yohannes IV saw its potential and made it his imperial capital. Suddenly, Mekelle was the heart of an empire. Its palace, now a museum, still stands as a symbol of that golden era. The city flourished, attracting nobles, merchants, and artisans from across Ethiopia. Markets thrived, grand churches rose, and Mekelle became a melting pot of cultures. Emperor Yohannes didn't just give Mekelle a palace, he gave it a new identity and pride. Even after the capital moved, Mekelle remained the beating heart of Tigray. Its legacy as an imperial seat continues to inspire its people today. That era laid the foundation for the modern city's ambition and resilience. Mekelle learned to wear its crown with dignity and strength. Its history isn't just in books. It's alive in every street and every dream. Mekelle's roots run deep, fueling its future. Fast forward, Mekelle transformed from imperial capital to industrial powerhouse. Before recent conflict, the city buzzed with factories and opportunity. Masebo Cement and Almeida Textiles led the way, fueling construction and clothing industries nationwide. Food processing and construction material plants created thousands of jobs, drawing people from rural areas. This industrial boom lifted families, opened new businesses, and set Mekelle on a path of rapid growth. But conflict brought this progress to a halt. Factories fell silent, jobs vanished, and hope was tested. The city's economic engine sputtered, but the knowledge and determination remain. Mekelle's workers and entrepreneurs are ready to rebuild. The story of industry here isn't over. It's just paused. The city's spirit is focused on restarting production and reclaiming its place as a regional leader. Every silent factory is a promise waiting to be fulfilled. Mekelle's comeback depends on reviving its industrial heart. The city is determined to get the machines running again. The next chapter is about recovery, innovation, and growth. Mekelle's industrial story is far from finished. Mekelle's progress is powered by its brightest minds, especially at Mekelle University. Since the 1990s, the university has become a hub for innovation and talent. It partners with local industries, solving real-world problems and fueling economic growth. Thousands of graduates enter the workforce each year, driving progress in every sector. The university's research and expertise are vital for the city's recovery. Even during conflict, its spirit of learning endured. Mekelle University is the foundation for a smarter, stronger future. As the city rebuilds, its graduates will lead the way. Knowledge is Mekelle's greatest resource. After crisis, Mekelle's first step is rebuilding the basics: roads, power, water, and communications. Infrastructure is the backbone of recovery, connecting people and powering industry. Every repaired road and restored power line brings the city closer to normalcy. Factories need repairs, supply chains must be reconnected, and homes rebuilt. The community, local leaders, and international partners are working together. The goal isn't just to restore, but to upgrade, making systems more modern and resilient. Rebuilding is a symbol of hope and progress. Construction cranes and busy streets show that the future is being built now. Mekelle's resilience is visible in every project and every determined worker. This is more than technical work. It's the foundation for a new era. The city is seizing the chance to build back better. Mekelle's future depends on these strong foundations. Mekelle's strategic location makes it the gateway to northern Ethiopia and beyond. As stability returns, the city is poised to reclaim its role as the region's economic engine. Peace and investment are essential. Stability gives businesses confidence, and investment fuels growth. International and local support will help reopen factories, launch startups, and connect Mekelle to the world. But Mekelle's greatest asset is its people, their work ethic, drive, and sense of community. Hardship has forged their resilience. Hope is stronger than ever. The city's spirit is its true superpower, fueling every step forward. Mekelle's story is one of hope, determination, and rebuilding. The community is shaping its own future, brick by brick. The road ahead is long, but the destination is clear, a peaceful, prosperous Mekelle. The world is watching as Mekelle rises again. This city's roar of resilience is just beginning. Mekelle is ready for its next chapter.